guys, it's Leek. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you're here to subscribe. And today, because I'm posting every single day the month of May until the 26th, which is my birthday, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single video. For today's video, from the title, you can tell this is going to be recent makeup purchases that I cannot live without. I'm not kidding you. These are complete staples in my makeup routine. These are things that I definitely need in my collection in steady rotation. This is going to be a collective, of things that I've bought. I'd probably say in the last year or so. I would have did this in January with the whole year of 2021, but as you guys know, I wasn't on YouTube. So we're going to make up for that, and we're going to talk about things that I was loving in the past year that I purchased and that, like I said, are staples in my collection now. So we're going to go in no particular order here, and I'm going to grab the first thing that's in front of me, which is going to have to be, oh my gosh, Rare Beauty blushes. I only own one, but I definitely want to buy more. This is definitely a staple for me. This is the shade Grace, by the way. This is definitely a staple for me on days where I want to do very natural, clean girl makeup. Believe it or not, I do not leave the house full glam every single day. I'd say probably 3 times out of the week I'm wearing clean girl makeup, which is I'm not even wearing foundation. I'm wearing a liquid blush, a liquid bronzer, very, very light makeup, and I love this for that. It is so pigmented. Like they said, this bottle will probably last you the rest of your life because you use the tiniest bit and it just goes a long way. So I love this. I don't mention it as much as I should, but this is definitely a staple when I want to be just natural, easy, no makeup look. This is really nice. You can use it for a lipstick, as an eyeshadow. It's just so multi-use, so pigmented, so nice. Genuinely love this blush right here. While we're on the topic of blushes, I'll go ahead and talk about these right here. I talked about them a little bit in my everyday makeup tutorial, but these Colourpop blushes, these were a part of their Valentine's Day collection, and I bought every single one. I love these blushes. They're so pigmented, they're so pretty, and I'm really like a blush palette kind of person. I never buy single blushes. I buy palettes because I believe that it has everything that I need. I feel like every blush was the same, but these are so cute. I think Colourpop blushes are now my favorite. Now that I have these, I want to go ahead and buy even more of their blushes because they're just so pretty. Not to mention, I definitely fell in love with the packaging, but these blushes I 100% recommend. They're so pigmented, they're so pretty. I'm wearing one right now. It doesn't take a lot to just look beautiful. They have so many colors. I love Colourpop in general. I do want to say they come out with new releases so often. They have a product for everything, and not to mention it's affordable. So Colourpop is just one of those brands that I just recommend to anybody. I love it. Okay, for brows, my lovely brows, I've literally got my eyebrow down to a routine for maybe the past year or so since I've been doing the whole laminated brow look. And even before this product, I used another Patrick Top product, which was his, I think it was brow lamination gel. It has a little pin on the end where you just brush your brows up. It's kind of like a mascara. But I absolutely love his shaping wax now in clear. I like this more than I like the ABH Brow Freeze because this held my brows up longer. I like the texture of it a lot more. I use this every single day. It doesn't matter what kind of look I'm doing. This is all I use on my brows, you guys. I clean it up with concealer, but this is the only product I ever put on my brows every single day. So if you don't believe me, look at my makeup in any picture. This is what I used every single day. We're gonna go into like kind of makeup tools. I have like 2 makeup tools I want to talk about. So the Junonko Sponges, as I told you guys, they completely replaced, this one is bigger because I just did my makeup and it's wet, but these have completely replaced beauty blenders. I no longer own a beauty blender because I love these. The product completely sits on top and it just does not soak it up. It applies it so flawlessly. I feel like it applies it quicker. I love the shape of it. I love that it has a flat end. I love that for my foundation, and then if I want to do my concealer, I'll use the pointed end. I love that the bottom is flat if you ever want to get in certain areas. Love the shape, love the texture. I love that it's microfiber. And the best part, you guys, is that the Junonko sponge is only $6. So if you don't believe me, you wouldn't lose money. Go out, buy it, try it. I promise you, you're going to love it. It's good for matte foundations, hydrating foundations. I have tried it with powder and I do like it with powders, so definitely recommend the Junonko sponge. And the other makeup product I got off of TikTok, like everything else in my life. I got it off Amazon. Again, this was very inexpensive. I believe I got 6 of them for $10, and those are the powder puffs that like went viral, that have these little, I don't know what you would call this, little holder for your 2 index fingers. I have them in white. Mine came with 3 white ones and 3 black ones. I used the black ones. I just found out they come in pink. They come in pink. So next time you see me, I will have all pink. But absolute game changer for setting your under eyes and setting anything. I love the shape of it again. It really is like The shape of something is actually very crucial to how you apply your product, and I'm learning that as I grow as a makeup artist, because it really does just help you get right in there. It sets that bright under eye. It looks very like smooth. I can get as close as I want. I do have some texture, but it looks so smooth. This is another product that doesn't suck up the product. It sits right on top and then it evenly distributes it, and it just looks so flawless. I could never probably do my makeup without this. For now, a little bit of complexion products. I have quite a few here. I was talking a little bit about my no makeup days that I have a lot all of the time, and I was never really like a tinted moisturizer kind of person or like a CC cream kind of person, never. But I recently, I would say, I'm not sure how long it's been, I've had this for a while, and I recently started using it again. It's the Fenty Eavesdrop. It's a blurring skin tint. I have it in the shade 14. It's so beautiful. I have a video on my TikTok where I do my clean girl makeup, and I apply this with my hands, which sounds very gross, but it blends so beautifully with your hands. It covers everything like good enough. You would think I might have something on, but it looks so natural at the same time. It just blends so easily. Makes me want to try more skin tints, more products like this. For foundation, I talked about this in my everyday makeup routine, but I love this one now for every day. If I want my medium to full coverage, I use the Makeup Forever HD Skin. This is fairly new. I think it's been out maybe a couple months, and I've had it for about over a month. Absolutely love this. It makes your skin look so nice. I'm wearing it right now. As you can see, I feel like I have a very even skin texture. I'm very glowy, but I'm also matte. It's such a natural finish. It doesn't really feel like I'm wearing makeup. That's one of my things, is like I like to look like I'm wearing makeup, but if you can feel it, I feel like it doesn't feel as great. So I like that I can't really feel that it's on my face, and I think it looks good. I don't know, that's just me. When we talk about under eyes, you guys know, like I said, I don't play by my under eyes. So one thing that I think has changed my entire life, I don't know if you guys are gonna know what it is, but you guys know I used to love putting my eyeshadow primer underneath my eyes. Totally switched that out, threw that out, because I discovered white concealer. Ever since I started mixing this with my everyday concealer, oh my god, this I think I will own for the rest of my life. And this was so hard to find, and once I finally got my hands on it, it made me realize why. This is such a good product. Like, you would think, if I told you I use this under my eyes, wouldn't you think that my makeup would look terrible? And look at it. Gives the perfect amount of brightness without making you look ashy or white. Like, obviously I don't look ashy. I definitely do not get flashback. I get asked that a lot. Like, do you get flashback because you use that white ass concealer? No. It completely erases my under eye dark circles. Like, would you think I have bags? Like, just looking at me? No. This absolutely doesn't matter what concealer you use either. I genuinely feel like this is a game changer for sure. Two concealers that I really have been loving in the past year are for sure this Kosas one. I've used it a few times and I really like it. You kind of have to use a lot because it's very lightweight, but I do like it. I do see this becoming easily one of my favorite concealers, but it's very new. I wasn't sure if I was going to put it in this video, but I do love it enough to talk about it and say that this is very lightweight, very nice. It has very clean ingredients, which I think a lot of people don't talk about enough, is that making sure our products have clean ingredients in them. And I like this a lot. I'm slowly integrating it into my everyday makeup routine, but this I really enjoy. And another staple, this is actually completely empty. I don't even use it anymore because there's nothing that comes out. It looks full, but it's empty. It's very hollow. And this is the Juvia's Place concealer. The logo is rubbed off. Juvia's Place, I think it's on the affordable side. It's very debatable. People are always in my comments saying, you think Juvia's Place is affordable? And I'm just like, yeah, if it's less than luxury, it's affordable, girl. It's full coverage, it's hydrating. They have so many color selections. It's a big ass tube. It's gonna last you forever. And then stay on that wave. Look at it. That's all I ever tell people. If this doesn't tell you that I love this product, I don't know what will. This is a Juvia's Place bronzer. I think they only have one like bronzer product. This is a bronzer and contour duo in the shade 10. And this bronzer, like, I love this bronzer. It has just enough warmth, but just enough cool, and it just sculpts your face so pretty, so nice to apply. It blends so easily. Only thing is it only has 4 different color selections as far as I know, which isn't a bad thing because bronzers usually don't come in many shades, but it could be a bad thing if none of those shades fit you. I got lucky where one of the shades fits me, but yeah, they only have 4 just as a warning, but if you do find one, you're lucky because these are bomb. And last but not least, if you didn't think I was gonna talk about setting sprays, 3 setting sprays that I want to talk about that are life-changing. They are my top 3. My number 3, Elf. She's more than halfway gone. Price wise, amazing. Doesn't transfer. I have a review on my TikTok. Does not transfer. Smells good. I love the applicator. It's literally like a fine mist. If you want transfer proof, stay all day, it's not gonna come off, it's gonna feel good, and you want drugstore prices, Elf, baby. And this is a stay all night. They have stay all day too. Haven't tried stay all day, but stay all night is that girl. Number 2, this one is very new, but I use it every day after my powders. This is the one size luminous. Make sure it's the luminous one, because I heard that they have another one that's like in a hairspray one. This one is the luminous one. Absolutely great for after your powders. If you have problems with your powders like sitting on top of your face looking cakey, get you a luminous setting spray. Obviously, I don't look like crazy dewy. It just helped all my powders melt. That's gonna be your blush, your bronzers, your setting powder, all that just melts together. It is a luxury high-end brand, I'm telling you right now, but it is worth it. I think if I ever tell you a luxury item is worth it, you better believe it's worth it, because I don't even believe in spending my money on expensive stuff. But this, absolutely. And if you have dry skin, a dream, because I have dry skin and this is absolutely a dream. My skin does not feel tight, and I don't even feel this makeup on my face. I don't feel it, and I absolutely love this. So one size, bomb. And last but not least, again, if you don't know what the spray is, you don't know me, Miss Charlotte, put some respect on her name, Tilbury. Whew. Airbrush Flawless. I don't even look at the name. I know it's Airbrush Flawless setting spray. It doesn't look very loved, but y'all, that's because I swear I spray this and it doesn't go down. It lasts. This is how many in here? This is 3.3 fluid ounces, and this is 4 fluid ounces. Oh, this has more. Oh, obviously. But this right here, it will not transfer. It feels so good. It literally changes your makeup. I'm not lying to you. It absolutely makes your makeup look beautiful, like it's your fucking skin. Obviously, makeup is not your skin, but this will get you as close as you want to get. This, I will stand on a soapbox and preach about this all day long if you ask me to. If you buy one thing from this video, I want it to be this spray. And I mean that. I'm not playing with you. Get the spray. That is it for today's video, you guys. Again, always, not even just this month, make sure you thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for some more leak in your life, because why would you not? Okay, my birthday is in 22 days. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'll be posting again tomorrow. Make sure you already watched day 3, day 2, and day 1 if you have not already. They are obviously before these uploads. Go ahead and watch those and thumb those up for me too. I will see you guys tomorrow.